Welcome back to the Home Design Process series here at J.L. Thompson Design Group. In the last video, we discussed the very beginning steps of design, in which we covered meeting you at your property with the builder, discussing the topography and how that impacts the overall design and how really getting started correctly is so important. Today, we're going to be discussing the next step, and the next step is floor plan design. During the last video, we began a relationship with the client as we met them at the property and started discussing all the particulars of their vision of their new home. As we build upon that relationship, we can really get to know the lifestyle and the personal needs that you might have. Understanding your lifestyle is really the key to understanding the floor plan that will fit your lifestyle. For instance, do you love to cook? Do you need a large kitchen? Or maybe entertaining guests at your new home is essential for you. Maybe you need a great space for guests that flows out of your home onto some outdoor living spaces. Maybe your home is a personal retreat and you would love a large library or study, somewhere that you could hide away and work or play. Whatever your needs may be, understanding you personally will help us as we work together to design the home of your dreams. To achieve your dream home, we start with the first floor plan design. This design begins with a comprehensive meeting at our office that we call the Design Kickoff meeting. During this meeting, we will have a very detailed discussion of every room in your new home. Also during this meeting, it's common for clients to share interior and exterior pictures of homes that they like. This is an excellent way for clients to communicate their vision. Pictures make it so easy for clients to explain what they like and what they do not like. And sometimes what they don't like is as important as what they do like. Resources like Pinterest, Houzz, and Google Images are excellent places to find inspiration pictures. In addition to photos, another great way to communicate to us your vision is to measure existing room sizes in your home, such as bedrooms, walk-in closets, living rooms. This is a great way, again, to communicate to us the size of bedroom that works great for you. The initial first floor plan design can be a 3 to 5 week process here at J.L. Thompson Design Group. We call this the preliminary first floor plan. Once it's ready, we will send a PDF of this preliminary design to you and to your builder for review. From that point forward, we collaborate as a team to make revisions or additions to the preliminary design until you love every aspect of your future home. It's common for clients to need 1 to 2 weeks to find quality time together to review the floor plan thoroughly and send us their thoughts and feedback. Our goal is to make updates for our clients' requests within 2 weeks, but this can vary depending on the complexity of the revisions and our schedule at that time. It is very important not to rush or feel rushed during the floor plan design process. Creating a plan tailored to your family takes enormous effort, and it is worth it. After the first floor plan is perfected, the next step would be to design a lower level floor plan, if that's what your design requires, or it might be a second floor plan, or it could be both. We will use the same collaborative process we use for developing the first floor plan to develop the design for your lower level floor plan and or your second floor plan. So that wraps up our short video on floor plan design development here at J.L. Thompson Design Group. Be sure to watch out for the next video that'll be coming up, in which we will discuss in more detail the exterior design process.